Well, it's been my delight to share with you what we are doing, and we invite you at any time to look on your web, georgeswood.com. You can get over 100 pages. My daughter and my son-in-law have designed this again and upgraded it so that you can read about us, find out about us on there, but we would really enjoy meeting with you in person. And what we're sharing, we delight to do it. And as I say, we entertain a number of homeschoolers, school groups, senior citizens. We like to do that because what I want to do is I want to promote quality craftsmanship. And anything I know, I will tell you, I owe it to the generations before me that I want to pass it on to the next generation. Now, you remember back in the shop, we were doing the hand carving. Well, here is a piece of workmanship that he has done. This is my initial is M for Martin. And we can carve that into any panel or any letter or any picture you may have that you would like to be put in wood. We will carve it for you. So it's been my delight, my wife's delight, our family's delight, our workman's, craftsman's delight to share with you in a brief way what we're doing. But we would be delighted to have you, entertain you here and see it for yourself. Because my philosophy has always been, this furniture has got to sell itself. I don't want to have a part in it. So it's been my delight to have this happen. And now I'm in the process of transitioning, that the next generation will be taking it over and that they will carry on the same quality that we are been doing. We are attempting to put the best in front of people that is possible today with American labor. So thanks again for your time, and may God bless you as you pursue His gifting that lies within you, because we are created in the image of God, and for a man to experience and a woman to experience real fulfillment in life, they need to find that special part. And I will be first to admit that I thoroughly enjoy being George. I'm not somebody else, but I'm transitioning to the next generation and hoping to pass this on to the next generation so that we in the United States and worldwide will be able to have high quality made from solid wood. So thank you, and may you have a great day.